So I do not know what I just did. I... Did you know that you can truly turn your... you can truly make your high-powered water cooling diffuser fan um, um, work exactly like if it were your air conditioner or something like that? Well, that's because my humidifier is not my heat with its nozzle is placed almost 90 degrees. Um, I mean, right, right here, almost facing almost 90 degrees away from the back of the vent. What if I... Oh, my word. That feels a lot colder than expected. So if I... Oh, my word. Feels colder than expected.